Today we're breaking down the AlgoBox SMLK timing lines, your ultimate guide for precise trade timing. Whether you're targeting small moves or aiming for big runners, SMLK timing lines can refine your entries and boost your confidence. SMLK timing lines leverage price structure, Fibonacci extensions, and Darvas boxes to provide a clear visual framework for identifying potential trade setups. Here's how they function. A trade setup within the small SMLK zone often aligns with target 1. In the medium zone, look for opportunities to reach target 1 and target 2. The large SMLK zone typically signals a path toward target 3. And the king zone? That's where you might aim for target 3 and even a potential runner. SMLK timing lines let you tweak settings to match your trading style. Calculation intervals for real-time updates. Bar thresholds to refine line placement. Visual settings like colors and line styles to keep your charts clean and effective. Want more or fewer timing lines? Adjust the number of drawings to suit your strategy. Here's the magic. Pairing SMLK timing lines with other AlgoBox tools like Flowmaster adds powerful confluence to your trade setups. It's like building a precise roadmap for your trades. Get ready to elevate your trading game with SMLK timing lines. Customize, strategize, and let the confluences guide your setups. Stay tuned for more and catch you in the upcoming video.